Hi, honeys. Wait a minute, it's kind of dark. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is Vlogmas day number 13. I know today is the 14th, but I couldn't do nothing yesterday. Well, let me tell you how my Friday the 13th went. Okay, it started the 12th, December 12th, after I got through putting together this beautiful recliner. I got hungry later on, and I didn't feel like doing nothing. And so I decided I was going to go to White Castle's. It was really late, and White Castle's was the only thing open. So I get in the car, turn the key, and it growls. I kept turning it, sounded like it was trying to start, but it just growls. And then I kept trying it, then it click, click, click. I came on back in the house. And by that time, Walter had his coat on. He was ready to get in the car. So I said, we ain't going nowhere. The car won't start. So on Friday the 13th, the next day, I'm in here just chilling in my chair. It's so comfortable, y'all. It's so comfortable. And Walter came in here. He said, you gonna see about the car? Then I hadn't even thought about the car. I hadn't started the night before. I said, oh my goodness. I went on out there and tried to start the car. It wouldn't start. So I called AAA. I've been with them for years and years and years. So they come out. Looked like a little boy. Looked like he was about 12 years old. So he tested the battery to see how much juice was left in the battery. And he said it was 12% left. And I needed a battery. And he did jump the car and it started right up. But so I told him, he told me my battery is going to cost about $300 and something. So, oh Lord, that's a lot of money for a battery. I remember going to different stores and pricing batteries, they like $65, $85, something like that. Of course, that was years ago, but still, that's high. So he got on the phone and called his manager. And his manager gave me a quote of $385 for a battery. And I said, okay. So I thought he could install it right then, because I need my car. He said he wouldn't be able to get the battery in until Wednesday. Now, that was on a Friday. Couldn't get it until Wednesday, and couldn't install it until Thursday. Almost a whole week without my car? I said, that's okay, bye. So anyway, the boy who jumped the car, he was getting ready to head out. And I knew I had to take the car somewhere to get a battery. So while he's backing out of my driveway, he saw me getting in the car. And I tried to start the car, it wouldn't start. And by then, he down the street. So Walter had his number, so he called. He said, can you come right back and give us another jump? And the boy was saying, I keep calling him a boy. He might have been grown, but he looked like he's 12. He said he got another call down in the city. But he was still in the area over here. So he said, maybe if you can give me a few dollars for lunch. So I said, okay. So he came right back. He was maybe 2 minutes away. He came right back. So Walter paid him whatever he paid him. And he said, he gave me a jump. So we thanked him. So I went immediately to, I don't even know the name of this place. And Walter went in, because I dare not turn the car off. He went in to see if they can get me a battery right then and there. And they could. It was a tire store. It wasn't too far away. So I'm sitting in front of the place with the car running. He's in there negotiating with folks. So the first man quoted him a price of $360 something for battery for my car. Now I ain't got no big fancy car or truck or nothing. Anyway, there was a lady in there. I guess Walter was flirting with her. Anyway, I think she gave us her discount code, because it brought it down to $305. I mean, it's still too high, but better than $360 something or whatever she said. So anyway, we went in there and they put the battery in, and then when they got through, they said I also need an oil change because the oil is dry. Now my oil light didn't come on or nothing, so I'll check on it next week. Well, that's how my Friday the 13th went. And people always say Friday the 13th is bad luck. I don't claim that. I say it's a blessed day because it's the day that the Lord has made. Well, I was blessed in the fact that I was able to get my car up and running. And I did get some kind of discount on the battery, even though it was too high. So you never know how your day will turn out. So when I got back home, Walter, he was going to cook some pork chops, I think. And I had been planning on making some chicken and sausage gumbo. I don't feel like cooking. So before I got home, I went to KFC and got their 4 pieces and 2 sides. So it was good. And what did Walter get? He wanted Whopper. Him and his hamburgers. He got a hamburger. And he don't want nothing on his hamburgers but ketchup. To me, that defeats the purpose of going to Burger King, because that's where they put everything on it. All he wants is ketchup, salt and pepper and ketchup. So if he see an onion on it, that destroys the whole burger. Well, anyway, I'm loving my chair. I'm waiting for what you call this thing? A furry. I want to call it a caftan, but a caftan is what you wear. An Afghan. I want it so I can just lay here and just chill and watch TV and don't do nothing. Okay. So thanks for listening to this little chit chat of how my day went on Friday the 13th. Like I say, you never know how your day is going to turn out. Okay. Thanks for listening. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.